In this video, I will explain how to translate one language to another language. So that is, suppose here we have some text. Using RAND, I generated some text. Okay. Now I want to translate the selected text, only first paragraph, into some other language, some other Indian language like Kannada, Telugu or Tamil. So then here under language category, under language group, we have translate option. Translate selection is the option. So if you select this particular option, automatically right side dialog will come. So see, already I selected Kannada. So the selected text converted to Kannada. Suppose if you want to convert into some other language, suppose Japanese. Okay, wait for some time, automatically it will convert to Japanese. Yes, Japanese. But for this you must have the net connection. Okay, then only you can able to translate. So this is a automatic translator of Microsoft and for some other language. And you can shift between, suppose swap from or to. From becomes to becomes from, like also you can swap if you want. Otherwise, suppose I am selecting some other language, like I will select Telugu. So wait for a while, automatically it will convert to the relevant language. Only the selected paragraph or selected data it will convert. Yes, converted. So now we can copy this particular text, select and copy this one. We can place anywhere in our document wherever we need, and we can use for other purposes also. Okay. And if you want to convert the entire document, not the particular paragraph, if you want to convert or translate the entire document, then here is an option, translate document. It will convert the total document into the selected language. Suppose I selected the entire document. So here we have two options, selection or document. Okay, document I am selecting and then say translate or select the required language. Suppose I am selecting Kannada. Okay, translate. It will translate and places the entire document in a new document. Okay, here if you press Alt Tab, the English version is already available, and this is Alt Tab if you use Kannada version also available, the same matter. Okay, like that you can translate from one language to another language. And here is another option, that is you can change the proofing language or language preferences for spelling and grammar text, spelling and grammar checking purpose, and some other total language editing, display, help, screen tip language also you can select. Suppose here language preference. So by default already these two are there. If you want, you can change, but don't change always. You can change under the guidance of your relevant administrator, otherwise don't change. It will ask for restart. You can also add a language. By default English, United States and India will be there, and suppose I already added Telugu as a preferred language and add Kannada as a preferred language, but if you want to affect the change, you have to restart your system. That is the main thing. So don't make these changes. And here proofing language also available. Proofing language, these two are the proofing languages by default available. You can also select other proofing languages for like spell checking, etc., etc. Okay, and we have some other options like read aloud, means automatically the speech will come. If you have the speaker, you can hear the reading of the system.
Video provides a powerful way
Word
to
by
help
word
you
it will
prove
read.
your point. When you click online video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want
Okay, it
to
is
add.
reading continuously.
You can also type a keyword to
If you
search
want to
online
stop,
for
you
the
can
video
stop.
that best fits your document.
Okay, and these are the language related options available.